miles north of the town that we're in right now. Oh wait, no, it's the town directly south of us, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Okay, so that was the town it was in? Look at how far we are from that town. That's it.
That could be a tornado. It's just hard to see any rotation out of it, but
well, we've also got trees blocking us.
yeah.
Alright, well there's cars coming steadily from that direction, so I think we're okay.
Yeah.
And it's not hailing so bad, so let's
No.
go for them.
30 ain't good when it gets cold. All of a sudden.
But that front hasn't really changed much, and I can't tell if it's connecting at the ground over there behind the trees or what's going
yeah,
on.
baby, but see the way it's rolling like that?
Yeah, well, very little. That's why it's hard to tell if that's the tornado or not. But yeah, we could be very well looking at a tornado. It's just, it's really hard to see any rotation out of it. Now it's kind of clearing up a little bit.
Well, we're in a town that is supposed to be in the path of a tornado.
I just don't see any rotation out of it. A lot of lightning out of it. I don't know. It's pretty calm now, though. I guess we can continue on our way.